So students, we are going to begin with the next topic, and the topic is function library. You can see in front of you with bold letters, and I am using the same data which I used in the previous video. Months and sale, I am making them bold because they are the heading and these are the values. So function library, what it is, as the name indicates, means a library means a place where all the functions are stored. Many time it happens we are not able to remember all the functions. Whenever we do calculations, we do different kind of operations, we need different functions, but we don't remember the spellings and we don't know how to use them. So at that time this library is helpful. So what is the way to use it? Initially we need to uh, go to a cell and write equal when we write a function, but here in this case you just go to a particular cell and then you need to go to formulas tab and then you will look for insert function option. So here you can see there is category being chosen as text, or the option is saying that type a brief description of what you want to do and click go. Suppose I use concat, I do OK and then choose a value, say text 1, and then this is text 2, and if I do OK, so you can see that the value is being concatenated, they are being joined. This is the concept of calculating functions using functions with the help of function library. We can try one more. Go to another cell, go to insert function, and this time rather than text I am looking for, suppose, mathematics, and in the mathematics you can see there are so many functions: absolute, aggregate, base, related to trigonometry, decimals, degree, factorial, integer, logarithm. There are many functions. Suppose if I use power, so I need to press OK. Now I need to give the number. Suppose this is the number whose power is to be calculated, and then I need to give the number what power is required. Say that it is 2. Then do equal, and the power of 130 is being calculated. Another example, go to insert function. Now instead of maths or trigonometry, we can look for anything else. Suppose if I take all. Now in all, again alphabetically all the all the functions are being shown, and particularly if I want to perform any operation, say average, so I will just write a, or I can search here also average. So you can see average has come, do OK, and then average of what number? They have written E6, but you can change it. You can select yourself. Suppose I am taking these values, right? And then do OK. So the average is being calculated. So that's all about using function library. Thank you so much.